The Wipasz plant is the leader in the production of fresh chicken meat and a leading manufacturer of animal feed products. The company has 2 modern production plants and 5 facilities manufacturing animal feed that yield about 300,000 tons of chicken meat and 1 million tons of animal feed products. Thanks to investments in innovative technologies and its own quality control laboratories, the Wipasz company defines quality standards in the industrial branch. The company exports about 80% of its chicken meat production, which confirms its strong position on international markets. Today we are visiting the chicken meat facility in Międzyrzecz Podlaski. Production in Międzyrzecz is based on automated technological lines and modern production stations that enhance efficiency and enable complete control over production processes. In parallel to facility development, the company implemented the Qguar MES system that ensures full control over the course of production processes. The SCADA company was responsible for the conceptual design and realization of integrated production lines. The Quantum company also implemented the SCADA zenon system that integrated technological lines with the Qguar MES system. Thanks to advanced technologies, Wipasz supplies its clients with products characterized by the highest quality and repeatability. Investments in new technologies in the food industry are crucial primarily because they enhance efficiency as well as improve quality. They enable better control over the supply chain, as well as faster reactions to variable consumers' needs. In the long run, these investments translate into competitive advantage and sustainable development. The system supplied by Quantum support Wipasz since the moment raw material is received at the Carcass jointing line. Management of the entire cycle requires strict integration of all production devices and processes. Each stage, from Carcass transport through jointing up to sorting and packaging, is precisely recorded and controlled. Production orders planned in the ERP system are sent to the MES system that coordinates and supervises production over its entire course. Thanks to integration of the SCADA and MES systems, technological lines, robots, automatic scales, and RFID identification systems operate in a synchronized manner, ensuring complete control over the process, while production-related information is recorded in real time. Implementation of the MES and SCADA system constituted a considerable challenge that required integration of multiple technologies and devices. Thanks to professional approach and commitment of the team, it became possible to carry out the process efficiently and accomplish the expected objectives. Production process is realized on multiple stations, through which particular products are transported stage by stage. Many operations are performed by automates, while some of them are realized by personnel, which ensures additional control. Chicken meat elements are sorted, weighed, and packaged into RFID-tagged containers that are later directed to the consolidation and final packing zone. Completion of these operations is confirmed in the Qguar MES system on the operator's panel. Chicken fillets are additionally subject to precise sorting realized by special robots, so-called robot grader. Then, fillets packed on trays are weighed and labeled. Later, a system of conveyors feeds them to a sorter, wherefrom they are directed to appropriate shipping pallets and transported to the finished products warehouse. Sorter operators also report operations progress in the Qguar MES system. A part of trays packaged into cartons may be sent via a lift and conveyors directly to palletizing robots. Thanks to integration of the MES and SCADA systems with automatic lines, Wipasz has an ongoing insight into the course of production and may monitor realization of orders at each stage. All these solutions allow the company to have detailed control over efficient course of production processes. The state-of-the-art MES and SCADA systems provide us with complete control over production. Thanks to these systems, we increased efficiency, reduced costs, and ensured reliable quality and punctuality of deliveries to our clients. One of the final production stages is called decanting, which consists in repackaging articles from RFID-tagged containers into appropriate shipping cartons. Then, packaged articles are transported to the warehouse. The MES system reads data from the tags attached to containers and prints the required labels. Operators monitor correct repackaging and report operations progress in the Qguar MES system. Efficient data exchange between machines and the MES system is realized via the SCADA system and ensures smooth flow of processes. Individual process requirements are realized in a much more efficient manner. as both MES and SCADA technologies are delivered by one supplier. The Quantum company stands out not only because of its experience and knowledge of production processes, but also because of its high commitment in resolving arising challenges. Thanks to these features, introduction of MES and SCADA proceeded efficiently, while allowing for our individual needs. The articles packaged in the decanting zone are transported via a system of conveyors to the warehouse, where 4 palletizing robots consolidate them into shipping pallets. Then, the pallets are directed to racks, where they wait to be transported to consignees. It is not necessary to maintain a big warehouse in order to deliver as fresh products as possible. The crucial requirements ensuring high quality are perfect organization of production process, fast deliveries, and controlled conditions during transport. The MES and SCADA systems also contribute to this achievement, and they support Wipasz in its efforts of maintaining the position of the development leader of the entire industry branch. It is technology that defines the future of production in the food processing industry. We keep investing in state-of-the-art technologies in order to meet growing market demands and to keep ahead of the competition. Thus, we may provide our clients not only with the highest quality products, but also with fast and reliable deliveries. Market requirements keep growing, which means that our future requires further improvement of processes and implementation of new technologies that enhance the trust our clients place in our brand. Automation and robotization in the Wipasz plant in Międzyrzecz Podlaski provide an example of significant impact of modern technologies on the development of food industry. This is undoubtedly an investment in outstanding quality of products, consumer safety, and thus in our own future.